5 journalists are among at least 20 people killed in Israeli strikes on Nasser Hospital in Gaza. News organisations Reuters, the Associated Press and Al Jazeera have confirmed that their contributors are among the dead. The United Nations says more than 240 reporters and cameramen have so far been killed covering the Israeli-Hamas war. Israel says it does not target journalists.
These rescuers were trying to move the body of a journalist killed by a drone strike on the roof of Nasser Hospital in Khan Yunis, when the staircase was enveloped in smoke as a missile struck the hospital. Among the fatalities were 5 journalists, including Hussam al-Masri, a cameraman working as a contractor for Reuters. His final story, filmed just 2 days ago, showed the aftermath of a strike on a tent encampment. And now his body is surrounded by mourners in the same morgue. Al Jazeera confirmed that their journalist Mohammed Salama was killed, and the Associated Press said Mariam Abu Dagga, a freelance journalist who worked for the agency, also died in the strike. Health officials named 2 other journalists, Moaz Abu Taha, Ahmed Abu Aziz, and a rescue worker among the dead.
The journalists were targeted by a drone carrying explosive, and they were killed instantly. 5 minutes later, civil defense personnel and some journalists present. They targeted the same place again. None of the attacks had any prior warnings.
The Israeli military said it does not target journalists and regrets any harm to uninvolved individuals. Strikes continued in Gaza City also as preparations for a full-scale ground operation continued. Reinforcements are ready at the border, but Israeli media reports that the country's military chief, Eyal Zamir, has said there is a deal on the table and that it is now in Prime Minister Netanyahu's hands to accept the deal agreed to by Hamas last week. Zamir has reportedly argued against a full-scale occupation, citing fears of endangering the lives of hostages and miring an exhausted military in an extended war. Gazans mourning their loved ones in Khan Yunis this morning will be hoping Mr Netanyahu listens to the pleas for peace. Fergal Gallagher, RTE News.